Hello everyone, Tynker is back with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First up we have Rainbow Boss Hard by King Cat. Looking at King Cat's code, we can see some when occurs blocks, switch to costume blocks, color shots blocks, and repeat blocks. Don't be fooled by the nice colors, defeat the boss, and dodge all the attacks. Next up we have My World Alpha by Uttermost Pretzel. In the code we can see if-then blocks, repeat blocks, when I receive blocks, and some play note X for X beats until done blocks. Create and venture in your own world, talk to characters to do different things. Next we have Fun Bird Adventure by Frivolous Prosecutor. In the code we see forever blocks, broadcast blocks, touching clone blocks, and set rotation and point towards blocks. Use your special abilities to have the greatest bird adventure. And lastly we have Peep Gone Fishing by King Cat. In the code we see some say blocks, switch to costume blocks, change blocks, and some set layer blocks too. Put your fishing skills to the test and catch as many as you can. Don't forget to upgrade. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can code awesome projects like this on Tynker. See you next time.